So we're gonna do number 3 at the top. Skin fade, high fade. The front, you want to box it or you want to keep it natural? I think if you keep it natural, much better.
Yeah.
Because you don't have like much
Yeah, right.
hair. Yes. Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Oof. A lot of hair.
So come showing. Study.
No, man, I don't like it. Bring my hair back. Too late. No, you'll like it actually.
I think I'm going to look younger.
What is that?
I think I'm going to look younger.
Yeah, I agree with that. I agree with that, yeah. Do you know, everyone asks me to do the buzz cut. Keep asking me to do it again and again.
What's the difference between buzz and tooth?
It's easy, man. Easy, they love it, easier. You don't have to take care about it. You don't have to wake up in the morning, try to put like some gel or stuff like that.
Yeah?
No, easy. Just wake up and go, that's it. That's it. We get the haircut done. So can you come back tomorrow for the fade?
Alright, no worries. I'm going to pay you.
Yeah, of course, man. I will charge you anyway.
It's like a bullshit.
A loss of hair.
Night. All good?
Look about the fade.
But yeah,
That's a
so
go.
easy, so fast.
It is so fast in my hand, more than yours, mate. So, what do you think about the front? You want to keep it like that, happy with it, or you want to make it box it?
What do you think? What do you reckon?
It's up to you. If you are happy, like to keep it natural,
Let's box it.
box it. Yeah, okay, too easy.
Yeah.
In this case,
Not too obvious, yeah.
what is that?
Not too obvious.
Nah. But the problem, you don't have like much of hair at the front. So if I box it, actually, I have to go high, which is I don't like to go high.
Yeah, but not too high.
Yeah, that's why. See, like here,
Yeah, I know.
you got like sort of space. So if I box it, if I want to make it like 100% nice, I have to go high. But if I go high, it's not going to be nice anyway.
Yeah, I know.
So that's why I suggest to keep it natural for you.
Yeah, I think. Yeah. It's
Yeah,
better.
if you like, I will box the sides, only the sides for you.
Yeah, just the
Okay,
sides.
Yeah, okay.
I already tried the high, like they're going to box it. It's not good.
Yeah, because see, if I box it high, see how high I'm gonna go?
I know.
Yeah,
You're
that
going.
one. So much. Hi, how's it going?
Much better. Yeah. Just another, hairstyle.